Do you want to see how I make over $100 a day from a completely faceless YouTube channel? All thanks to AI. No, this isn't another guru promise. This is a real, live case study of one of my channels that's quietly earning income in the background. Look at this. This is the analytics dashboard for the last 28 days. As you can see, it's consistently pulling in over $3,000 a month, which works out to more than $100 every single day. And the best part? I spend maybe an hour a day on this. I'm going to break down every single step, show you the exact niche, the tools I use, and how you can replicate this entire process starting today. So, what is this magical niche? It's the historical summaries niche. Think about it. It's an evergreen topic. People are always curious about the past, whether it's ancient civilizations, famous battles, or biographies of historical figures. The content has a super long shelf life, and there's an endless supply of topics. The channel I run focuses on creating short, engaging animated videos that explain complex historical events in a simple, easy-to-digest format. For example, a 10-minute video on the rise and fall of the Roman Empire, or a 7-minute explicable on the life of Cleopatra. The audience for this is huge, ranging from students looking for homework help to history buffs who just enjoy learning. The key is to make history feel like a story, not a boring lecture. We use animated characters, dynamic maps, and a storytelling narrative to keep viewers hooked. The watch time is fantastic because people who click on a video about the Punic Wars are genuinely interested and will likely watch until the end. This high engagement signals to YouTube that the content is valuable, so it gets pushed out to a wider audience. The beauty of this niche is that you don't need to be a history professor. All the information is publicly available, and AI can help you research and structure it into a compelling narrative. It's all about presentation. Okay, let's get to the fun part: the exact tools and the step-by-step workflow for creating these videos. This is the 4-part system that turns an idea into a finished, monetized video. Step 1 is the script. This is the foundation of your entire video, and we're going to use AI to make it perfect. I start by going to a tool like ChatGPT or Claude. I use a specific prompt, something like, act as a professional scriptwriter for a YouTube history channel. Write a 1,500-word script for a 10-minute video titled The Incredible Story of the Silk Road. The tone should be engaging, informative, and storytelling focused. Structure it with a strong hook, 3 main points, and a concluding summary. Target audience is general history enthusiasts. The AI will generate a detailed script, but don't just copy and paste it. Read through it, fact-check the key dates and names using a quick Google search, and most importantly, edit it to make it sound more human and conversational. I often tweak sentences to make them flow better when spoken. This editing process is crucial and takes about 20 minutes, but it makes all the difference. Step 2 is the voiceover. A robotic AI voice will kill your audience retention. We need something that sounds natural and engaging. For this, I use a tool called 11 Labs. It's a generative AI voice tool that is miles ahead of the competition. You can clone your own voice or choose from a huge library of pre-made, incredibly realistic voices. I just copy my edited script from step 1 and paste it into 11 Labs. I can adjust the pacing, the inflection, and even add pauses for dramatic effect. Within minutes, I have a broadcast-quality MP3 file of my voiceover. It sounds so real that nobody would ever guess it's AI generated. This saves me hours of recording and editing my own voice. Step 3 is creating the video itself. This might seem like the hardest part, but again, AI makes it simple. I use a tool called Pictory or InVideo. These are AI video generators. Here's how it works. I upload my script and my AI-generated voiceover. The AI automatically analyzes the text and finds relevant stock footage, images, and animations from its massive library to match the words. So when the script says ancient Roman soldiers, it pulls up clips of Roman soldiers. When it talks about trade routes, it shows animated maps. it syncs these visuals perfectly to the voiceover. Of course, I'll go in and make some manual adjustments. Maybe I'll swap out a clip I do unlike or add some text overlays to emphasize key points. This entire process, from uploading the script to having a fully edited video, takes about 30 to 40 minutes. No complex video editing software, no need to be a graphic designer. It's all drag and drop simple. The fourth and final step is the thumbnail and upload. The thumbnail is arguably the most important element after the title. For this, I use Canva. I find a high-impact public domain image related to the topic, like a famous statue or a dramatic painting. Then I add big, bold, easy-to-read text. A great formula is to use contrasting colors and a title that sparks curiosity, like The Empire That Vanished or The Secret Life of a Pharaoh. Once the thumbnail is ready, I upload the video to YouTube. For the title and description, I go back to ChatGPT. I use a prompt like, "Write 5 catchy, SEO-optimized YouTube titles for a video about the Silk Road." Also, write a 200-word YouTube description, including relevant keywords and hashtags. I pick the best title, paste in the description. Add my affiliate links, which we'll talk about next, schedule the video, and I'm done. One video created from scratch in about an hour, all thanks to this streamlined AI workflow. So, the big question? How does a channel like this actually make money? The revenue comes from 3 main streams. First, and most obvious, is YouTube AdSense. Once your channel gets 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube will then place ads on your videos and you get a cut of the revenue. Because history content has a high CPM, which means advertisers pay more to show ads on it, the earnings can be quite substantial. As you saw from my dashboard, this is the primary source of income, bringing in a steady daily flow. The second stream is affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products or services and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique link. In the history niche, this is a goldmine. In my video descriptions and pinned comments, I include affiliate links to things like history books on Amazon, subscriptions to services like Audible, where people can listen to history audiobooks, or even online courses on platforms like Coursera. I'll say something in the video like, if you want to dive deeper into this topic. I've linked my favorite book on the Roman Empire down below. It's a natural fit, provides value to the viewer, and adds a significant, often passive, income stream. The third stream, which is more for established channels, is selling digital products. Once you have a loyal audience, you can create and sell your own products. This could be anything from beautifully designed digital posters of historical maps to ebooks that compile your best scripts into a readable format. For example, you could bundle 10 of your video scripts on ancient Greece into a beginner's guide ebook and sell it for $10. With 1,000 dedicated fans, that's an extra $10,000 in revenue. So you see, it's not just about ads. It's about building a multifaceted business around your content. This entire system is designed for efficiency and scalability. You can follow these exact steps to start your own faceless YouTube channel in virtually any educational niche, not just history. It could be science explainers, psychology concepts, or book summaries. The principle is the same. Use AI to handle the heavy lifting of production so you can focus on creating quality content consistently. It takes work to get started, but once you build momentum, it becomes a powerful engine for passive income. I really hope this detailed breakdown was helpful and demystified the process for you. If you got value from this, a like on the video would be amazing. And be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on how to leverage AI to build online businesses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.